Today we're taking apart the CMF Phone 1. This phone uses the Dimensity 7300, which is more everyday ready than powerful. The 5000 mAh battery is steady, and its 33W charging is pretty average. This device can't charge, so we're replacing the charging board. First thing we do is power it off. The back cover is held by clips and screws, so no heating is required. Start by removing the screw in the bottom right corner. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the 4 large screws. Now eject the SIM tray using a SIM ejector pin. We can open the back cover using a spudger. Create a small gap and slowly work your way around the edges. Next, remove all Phillips screws. There are 13 in total. There's also a hidden screw under this decorative ring. This is Nothing's classic design trick. Take off the heat sheet as well. The motherboard cover is fully clipped in, so use a spudger to release the clips. These clips are tight, so it may take a bit of effort. Disconnect the battery connector first. Next, move to the lower board cover. This one is also quite tight. I tried from the bottom, but it didn't work well. From the side, the clips open much easier. Disconnect all BTB connectors with a plastic tool. There's a coaxial cable on the back as well. Here's our new charging board. Start by connecting the coax cable on the back. Then reconnect all BTB connectors. We can now install the lower board cover. Reconnect the battery connector. Install the motherboard cover and check this clip here. Before installing all screws, plug in the charger to test. Looks good, charging icon appears. Now we can reinstall all screws. Don't forget the screw under the decorative ring. And reinstall the heat sheet. Now reinstall the back cover. Don't forget the SIM tray. Install the 4 screws and the large signature screw. That completes today's repair. Thanks for watching, and feel free to like and subscribe.